the Thalangama Wetland in Sri Lanka, an area replete with natural beauty, surrounded by an urban landscape. Built by King Parakramabahu VI during the Kotte Kingdom, the Thalangama tank still provides water to the Bataputha paddylands. Legends among the villagers speak of how the king's elephants were brought here to bathe. This is a wetland that hosts diverse ecosystems such as open water, marshes and forest patches, which has resulted in a rich biodiversity. Given the uniqueness of the Thalangama Wetland, the Central Environmental Authority in 2007 declared it an Environmental Protection Area under the National Environment Act. This is a main wetland zone within the Colombo Ramsar wetland city. The Thalangama Wetland is a haven for waterbirds. A nesting colony of Asian openbills. They build their nests here annually. Most waterbirds feed on fish. This is the Avarihena tank, which lies adjacent to the Thalangama tank. Painted storks and other birds busy feeding. Forest birds are also common here. The crimson-fronted barbet is an endemic bird to Sri Lanka. The blue-tailed bee-eater is a migrant. Fish are a main component of the wetland. Both native and endemic fish are common here. Odonets lay their eggs in water, which makes the Thalangama Wetland an ideal habitat for them. This is an Adam's gem, an endemic damselfly. Many colorful dragonflies can also be seen here. A water monitor. It seems it has detected food. Freshwater turtle eggs. This is how the balance of nature is maintained. The green garden lizard. Animals that live here are well adapted to living among humans. Many other reptile species can be seen in the Thalangama Wetland. The Eurasian otter is a mammal that feeds on the fish of the wetland. The fishing cat is another predator that stalks during the night. The foliage bordering the wetland provides a safe haven for the Sri Lanka purple-faced langur. The Indian green frog. waiting till a prey ambles near enough. These are frogs that are active during the night. Many wetland plants can be observed when one visits the Thalangama waterways. A number of ecosystem services such as photosynthesis and the purification of the air and water are provided by the plants. There are a number of nectar-producing plants, which attract many a butterfly species. The paddy lands nourished by the tanks are a part of this ecosystem. The rice grown here are mostly native species. Many animals live in and amongst the paddy. By controlling agricultural pests, some animals provide a silent yet essential service. Thalangama farmers still adhere to traditional farming methods. They have an intricate knowledge of how natural resources can be made a part of their lives. Oviti, or land where other crops are grown among the paddy, are a common sight here. The water and fodder needed for the domestic cattle are sourced from this wetland. Fishing is done for daily consumption. Some earn a living by selling flowers of wetland plants. The importance of the Thalangama wetland for education and research is significant. The picturesque environment created by the wetland brings physical and mental well-being to many. Due to the irresponsibly discarded garbage and the spread of invasive species, the Thalangama wetland is facing an increased threat. Road traffic accidents are a major cause for the loss of biodiversity in urban areas. Many wetlands within the city of Colombo have already been decimated. Therefore, let us conserve these natural resources and not let them be lost to the nation for the sake of development.